Winter car preparation ensures safe and reliable winter driving. Winter driving presents unique challenges and hazards, from icy roads to reduced visibility. To ensure your safety and the reliability of your vehicle during the cold season, it's essential to prepare your car adequately. In this comprehensive guide, we'll outline the steps you can take to prepare your car for winter driving. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Tire maintenance. The condition of your tires is crucial for winter driving. Consider these tire-related preparations. Winter tires. Investing in winter-specific tires with deep treads designed for snow and ice traction is highly recommended. They provide better grip and handling on slippery surfaces. Tire pressure. Check your tire pressure regularly, as cold weather can cause it to drop. Maintaining the recommended pressure ensures optimal tire performance. C. Tire chains. In extreme winter conditions, having tire chains on hand can be a lifesaver. Make sure you know how to install them correctly. Battery inspection. Cold weather can be harsh on your car's battery. Check the battery's health and replace it if it's old or showing signs of weakness. Keep jumper cables in your trunk as a precaution. Fluids and lubrication. Proper fluid levels are essential for winter driving. Focus on the following. Antifreeze. Ensure your vehicle has the right mix of antifreeze and water to prevent freezing. Refer to your owner's manual for recommendations. B. Oil. Use a winter-grade oil that flows more easily in cold temperatures, ensuring your engine remains properly lubricated. C. Washer fluid. Replace your regular washer fluid with a winter-specific variant that won't freeze on your windshield. D. Brake fluid and transmission fluid. Check and top off these fluids if necessary. Heating and defrosting system. Ensure your car's heating and defrosting systems are in good working order. Replace worn-out cabin air filters and make sure your defroster can effectively clear your windshield. Lights and visibility. With reduced daylight and potential snowfall, visibility is crucial. Headlights and taillights. Confirm that all lights are functioning correctly. Replace any burnout bulbs. B. Windshield wipers. Replace old wiper blades with new ones designed for winter use. Make sure your wiper fluid reservoir is filled with winter-grade fluid. Emergency kit. In case of an unexpected winter emergency, assemble an emergency kit that includes items like a flashlight, blankets, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, and a portable phone charger. Chassis and undercarriage protection. Applying an undercoating or rust protection to your vehicle's chassis can prevent corrosion from road salt and chemicals used to melt ice. Fuel and fuel system. Keep your gas tank at least half full during the winter. This helps prevent moisture buildup in the fuel system and ensures you have enough fuel in case of delays. Snow removal equipment. Carry essential snow removal tools, such as an ice scraper, snow brush, and a small shovel, to clear snow and ice from your car. Drive safely. Preparing your car is essential, but so is practicing safe winter driving habits. Reduce your speed, increase following distances, and avoid sudden movements on slippery roads. Always stay up to date with weather forecasts and road conditions before heading out. Regular maintenance. Before winter sets in, have your car inspected by a qualified mechanic. They can identify and address any potential issues that might affect your vehicle's winter performance. Tire pressure monitoring. Many modern cars come equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. Ensure this system is functioning correctly and pay attention to any alerts it provides. Conclusion. Properly preparing your car for winter driving is not only about safety but also about maintaining the longevity of your vehicle. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car is ready to tackle the challenges of winter, providing you with a safe and reliable driving experience even in the harshest conditions. Remember, taking the time to prepare now can prevent headaches and accidents down the road. Stay safe and enjoy your winter travels. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.